Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have never been more nervous to try a product than this Physicians Formula Brow Last Longwearing Brow Gel. I cannot stand, I know everybody else likes a strong brow. I cannot stand a strong brow on me. I think I look like an old crow when I go that route, or something even more comical. Are you happy with your work?
Not really.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Justin. Oh.
Yeah.
So maybe...
It's called the strong brow.
Oh, is that what that's called?
Yeah.
The strong But I saw this when I was at Ulta recently and I thought, oh, what the hell, we'll give it a go. Now, it comes in 4 shades. I got the shade medium brown, and this does retail for $9.99. Now, what it is, it's supposed to be water resistant, transfer resistant, smudge resistant, budge proof too. So that's pretty amazing. It comes with the gel on one end and a really nice looking spoolie on the other side. Now, it also conditions with vitamins B and E and something they call, what is it? Brow enhancing fibers. I don't know what that is, but we shall see. Okay, so nice and up close and personal. So I just cracked open the package, which took me like 5 minutes. Oh, oh no. Oh, I do not want to try this. I don't want to try this. This literally looks just like mud I'm gonna put on my brow. Dang it, and I have to go out in public today too. Ugh. That's a lot of product to put on the brow. Typically I use a brow mascara from NYX because it's just literally like mascara for your brows. So I lightly go in, fill them in, and then I'll outline and define with a pencil from Tarte. So this literally is giving me high bouts of anxiety. Ugh, dear God. All right, so I'm gonna wipe off most of the product here and go in with a very light hand. So hopefully I look like someone who should be presentable in public. If you can see, it's an angled brush. Maybe you're not going to be able to focus in on it, but it's basically an angled brush. You've got lots of individual bristles, so it's not like a felt tip application. So we shall see. So right now I'm just going in with a super light hand because obviously you can build much easier than you can take away. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. My issue is, like, right off the bat I can tell without using a pencil, unless I want to get into super heavy-duty brow territory, I feel like I can't define as much as I want to. It's also kind of a pain that I can't figure out how in the world to get back to the spoolie without putting the brush applicator back into the gel, because I just want to keep like applying and then combing out and distributing the product. Like, look at how much product comes off initially. That is, look, I'll show you. Like, who's putting that on their eyebrows? That's insane to me. I don't know. So I'm wiping off most of that. Again, just kind of concentrating a little bit of the product on the edge of the brush. Okay, I wanted to show you guys quickly. This is very difficult to maneuver. Obviously, I'm right-handed trying to do my left brow, and that already happened. This stuff like dries very, very quickly. You don't have a lot of time to work with it, and it feels a little crusty. You could probably survive like a major windstorm without much happening here. Okay, I did not make a pass application of that product. I literally had to film about 4 other videos today, and I thought, there's no way in hell I'm filming with my brows looking like this. So I just scrubbed it off. One thing I will say, it definitely is long wearing and quite transfer resistant, because I was literally like trying to scrape it off. And in fact, that's a swatch from earlier, and I've washed my hands repeatedly and it is not budged. For me, it was just way too heavy of a product. I don't like, you know, anything that's going to give me like a very dark, strong crazy looking brow, crazy defined brow, that's probably a good indication as to why I shouldn't have tried the product in the first place. So this is most likely on me, but also I noticed that the color was a little bit too ashy, and also it just really crunched out my brows. Like, my brows were not going anywhere, not in a hurricane, not in a tidal wave, nothing. Some of you might like that, so you might want to try it out, but for me it was just no bueno, way too strong, didn't like it. But in any event, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!